bags in total.
Okay, now write it down.
Oh wait, there's another thing, so it's 18.
Okay,
19? Okay, they're getting kind of put all over in here, so be careful.
So 19?
Yeah, because I ended up finding these two.
Did I get that?
Part of it was mixed, but the other parts were sealed.
Here, let me get it.
It's the middle part you have to kind of get a little bit better.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, just double checking your work.
There you go. So 19?
19 in total.
Okay. So then pull out what's next, and I'll write them down. Okay, there's that, honey. Okay, let me move this for a minute. Okay, so 19 bags of oats, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Elbow macaroni.
Elbow macaroni, okay. Okay. And then however many bags. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm currently going through just to double check that when I do this, I'm having our correct numbers on oats, because it could be
Okay.
buried down at the bottom, so I'm sorting right now.
Okay. So was that it for oats?
Yeah, that was it for oats. Now we'll kind of just have our pastas and and potatoes left.
Okay. And this is it for the elbows?
No, those are all elbows right there.
That's what I said.
Yeah, that's it
So
for
then you
elbows.
could tell me when we're done how many.
Yeah, sorry, I misheard you there a little bit, Mom.
Okay. Okay. And then we'll write this list, and we'll be able to hang it up in here, Megan.
Yeah, kind of like right by, like right there. Next
Yeah,
to
we'll write off this box our list, and then as we add to it, we can add more to it if we need to.
Yep.
The only thing we got left to do after is the flour. So we can write our list and put it up, and because we're going to do cereals too. The last one,
And that was 7 of them.
and that's elbow macaroni.
Yep, so 6 pounds if it gets you about 7, if it's these size bags for Mylar. We chose these because we don't need the big 10-pound ones because we're not going to use like 10 pounds of noodles in one sitting.
Okay, so 7 of them.
Yep.
Okay, what's next?
I'm going to do the easiest ones next, which is literally just 3
Small
small shells.
Okay. 3?
Yep, 3 bags of those.
Okay. That way when we go to write our list, we know it's on this box. So then we write our list and hang it up.
Yep, so we know what we need to get to stock up more of if we have a certain thing we want to stock up on.
Because your dad wants me to get rice too.
Yeah, we'll get about...
A couple bags of rice, because, wait, that corner don't look there. Sealed good. Okay.
Now, on top of all of this, once these are packed, is probably going to be the egg noodles, because there's a lot of them.
Okay. So I think that's the last left, ain't it?
Nope, instant potatoes are also still here too.
Oh, okay. Well, we did. How many? 4 different items here?
Yep, but these are all of like your carb things. Is that what these are called? Carbs?
Yeah.
Your carbohydrates.
These are my carbs.
Your carbohydrate stuff, like, yeah, those.
All
Sorry if you can't see me on the
pastas and your
camera.
potatoes.
I'm currently off to the side over here.
Okay. Okay, the next one is going to be what?
Instant mashed potatoes.
Okay, instant potatoes.
And there's 8 of them.
8 bags. Okay.
Oh wait, 9 bags. The other one was buried.
Okay, and then after that is going to be
Egg noodles.
egg noodles. Okay, I'll write it
I'll
down.
double check my counting on those when we put them in here. Just double check that it's
Okay.
8 or 9.
Okay. There you go.
I have a 23-minute video already. Holy shit. I can make 2 videos out of doing this. Part 1 and part 2.
Yeah.
That's probably what I'm going to do. Split this 20-something clip up. And then get 2 videos out of it.
You'll be surprised after a couple of days what these bags will look like. With the oxygen absorbers, you'll be surprised what they do. They'll be all like heat sealed, like when I use that thing with the meat. Yeah.
Vacuum sealed.
Yeah. Which we could have did that with this, but I don't feel like using that big machine.
No, it's easier just to put the oxygen absorbers and let them do their job.
Yeah, and heat them with this is quicker.
In my opinion, if you're going to do this, the better option is like buy the iron instead of like the hair straightener, like the hot iron, like the flat irons, because they're 1, cheaper, and 2, you can get them to be actually a lot hotter than the flat irons. Because the flat irons do have a cap limit of what their heat will be. These can go hot enough to seal them properly. But be careful when touching them, as you could burn yourself because the plastic is still hot.
And I go across them about 3 times to make sure
That they're fully sealed.
Yeah.
And then if you're doing this with somebody else, have them check that the seal is good on them all, because if the seal's not good, you will lose your bags.
There you go.
But yeah, it is 8 of them.
Okay. Now, I'll count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it?
Yep.
Okay, 11 of them.
Cool.
So we're almost done tonight.
Our next video is probably going, next video for these, when we do these next Mylar bags. The next Mylar bag video is probably going to be just us doing
The flour. The bread flour we bought. Cause
yeah.
that I've heard a lot of good things about it, is bread flour.
It's a good flour.
Then we'll move those totes and lids with the black ones and set this on top of that other clear one.
Yeah.
Or put this at the bottom and the clear one on top of it. So we can start stacking them over there.
Yeah, and then I'm going to get a piece of masking tape and write on what's going to be in both bins. So we know what's in both bins if we need to like quickly come in here and look for something. So we remember what's in what. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
You want that masking tape to write right now, to put on that smaller tote right now?
I'm looking for, I'll do it after all of these are put away.
Okay.
There's that 1 cup of egg noodles.
Hey, somebody might just want some noodles one
That's
night.
like a snack. Snack bag.
Say, I'm going to make me a little bowl of pasta. You know?
Yep.
Or if one of these bags isn't enough for what we're making, you know, like if I'm making a big pot of potato salad or something, or macaroni salad, I mean, then I can add the smaller bag.
Mm-hmm. Just realized this didn't have its number written on it. But I know how many cups this one has.
Okay. How many is it? 3?
3. It's a 3-cup bag.
This one? Where is it?
Let me grab the marker. I got
Okay.
it.
Okay.
We could still even store more pasta into this big one.
Oh, yeah. We'll be putting more in there. Because I want to get bigger bags where I can put lasagna noodles or spaghetti noodles.
Yeah.
But actually, spaghetti noodles I can break in half and put in a bag.
Yep.
You know? Put a 1-pound box in a bag. Just break the noodles in
I
half.
think we have spaghetti noodles in the house somewhere in here.
We do up there somewhere.
We're doing everything to stall out on the bread flour because we're not mentally prepared to handle all that bread flour.
It's not going to take as long as you think. It's going to be shorter than a dip of the white sugar. That didn't take us that long.
True.
It's just going to be a lot of bags. But we got
My
plenty of
one
time.
friend liked our last video because it had all the fall colors and stuff. She lives in Cali, so she doesn't get to see that as often.
Well, we're going to go through Baird's Hill one day with a video and Comstock Hills.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to be pretty.
It'll be really pretty because those areas are just straight up woods and they're beautiful through those places.
One more to go, sis.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Okay. There. That one's done. Now, move those totes and set them in that tote, and then we'll put that over there
Okay.
with the lid on it. Okay. Give me the tape and the marker, and I'll write what you said to put on it. What's in them.
Yeah.
Okay, we got white sugar, white and brown sugar. Okay, this one could go on that tote. Tells you what's in it.
Give me 1 second.
It's heavy, so be careful. That would have been an expensive knockover. Here. Okay, and then we got, you want me just, okay, egg noodles. Small shells. Egg noodles